Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Massive gap up. Massive gap up, guys. How you guys doing? Just in time for opening. Good morning, FEMA. Good morning, good morning. Oh, not good morning, good night, I think. Good night. Piotr, let's crush this market. Let's start this week straight strong, man. L Legacy. Hello, my friend. How you doing? Marina, hi. Longhorns. How you doing, my brother? Last week, everybody. I'm not trading this week. Get all my profit, guys. Okay. Cass Rock Travels. Hello, hello, hello. How you guys doing? Let's launch Financial Juice. And let's launch Epidemic Sounds. Nice. Nice. I'm back home. I mean, I'm in the usual scenario. Yo, Tip Lovin. I caught a long right at the open. Like, it did a little sweep down. I clicked long after this sweep down and caught basically almost 50 points on this long. We're going to do like a nice price action analysis on this. See what's going on. I miss my screen. I miss my chair, brother. I love this chair so much. On the daily, we have a bunch of big EMAs going up. Of course, we have high off Friday, important level. And we have like the 21 EMA sitting at around 800, so that's an important level for us to go for. And we have this massive order block on the daily that it starts at 780. So I guess 800s, it's the first target going up. $800 is the first target going up, so I guess we're good on that. Let's do the Hi guys, how was the weekend, guys? We do this right here and do this right here. Big gap up, mega sideways. Big gap up, mega sideways. Right. Trying to sweep down. We're going to sweep up. Two red candles below VWAP. It's not good right now. If it gives me the chance, I'm getting out of break even. The two red candles below VWAP, it's best for me to get out.
UKMTO reports incident 20 nautical miles northeast of Karsab, Oman.
Good afternoon, Georgette. How you doing? Not touching this until we establish the first 15 minutes. Yeah, that's prudent. That's actually good idea. Bro, I missed my setup. Last weekend where I was staying was like no bueno.
Tanker master reports hearing explosion near vessel.
The P stock.
MTO. Crew all reported safe.
Middle ones. Good afternoon, good afternoon. My long was good actually, but like, you know. Now we are squeezing up, man. I knew this long was good, but I got a little bit of a, I got a little afraid actually. That is the word. I got a little bit afraid. The 15-minute orb on the Asia is almost set, bro. Let me see how big it is. That's what she said. It's actually, the stop loss is 45 points. 45 point stop loss. What we know is that we have a trend line going up right now. The half of the FUBs is 595. We didn't broke to either side of this orb yet. So let's see if we find a good trade. A good trade. Maybe looking at ES. YM. It's too big, I can take it, yeah. Warren Hunting, hello, how you doing? Yeah, the first gap will be filled on the chat by Julian. Of course, the P stocks will fail, yeah. Yeah, it's been failing for like 6 months, bro. You dumped your long oil position last week, okay. My stream is always buffering every 5 minutes. I have zero loss on the stream, bro. There's zero loss on the stream. It shouldn't be buffering. Like, it's because the delay is like 1 second or 2 seconds, and like it's too slow, you know. It's too close. Like that's how you guys want it. I know it's fine. There's no other way to do it, bro. But thanks for the info. Like, I run my stream on the side monitor, you know. Like, maybe if you put a 1080 instead of a 1440, I don't know how you doing, how you making that. But yeah, one of the problems is that like the stream I send to YouTube with like 2 seconds delay, 1 second delay. So like it's too small of a delay, you know. If I use like 10 seconds delay, you guys wouldn't have buffering, you know. Bro, something is glitching in my screen right now. Strange. But like that's the only way that you guys have like the most recent like data information from what I'm seeing, you know. But sometimes it will do like a little round buffering. Do I join the short? Like right now, you guys have 3-second delay from me. Like, actually, if you go to like to the maximum buffer on the YouTube stream, you get max 3-second delay. Like I'm doing the test right now on the live stream open. So whenever I move my mouse, I count less than 3 seconds, and it already happens in the YouTube stream. So the delay you guys have is less than 3 seconds. So sometimes that will be like, won't be enough to buffer everything, you know? There is there's major resistance around 750. Yeah, got bought up instantly. Like this right here got bought up instantly. Yes, something's going on with my monitor right now, but that's okay. So do we just blindly go long and cash out in 10 minutes? Like, as of right now, it's the right answer. Yeah, man, like already it's small, like small volatility, you know? It's low volatility already. Gurab, hello, my friend. How you doing? You tried a week two out and went back up. You should wait right now, man. Like we are mega sideways. Like we swept a little bit up, got rejected, swept down, got rejected. The 50-minute orb still it's not it's still inside the 15-minute orb. It didn't break to either side. But we can see that we are holding at least in the EMAs right now, you know. Are you in Brazil? Yeah, I'm back home right now, bro. Just got home this morning. Mega sideways, guys. Mega sideways. Mega sideways. You're from Kenya, Julius? Nice. Hello, Sunny Trader. How you doing? I think we're going to squeeze up at some point again. You know? Actually going, let's see if it gives another dip into the view up. Yeah. Like, look at this 5-minute candles. Like, makes no sense to go long or go short anywhere right now. Like, it's just a hopium trade. Oh, Piotr, I'm gonna wait 5 minutes. If nothing happens, then oh well, rather go to bed. Yeah, like, usually on Asia, the first hour, like, it takes a while to start, like, moving. When the next 1 hour comes in, it gets more volatility, and when the next comes in, then it gets even more volatility, and so on, you know? It's a roller coaster, yeah. There's not much going on. Like mega sideways on the 5. Like was a nice volatility, nice gap, but like if you're not catching every little sweep down, you're not making any money. Like you're stuck probably. Going to bed, Piotr? Yeah, for you is already late, isn't it? Like, so best for you to rest and recover, my friend. Be ready for the week. Yeah. I think you go to the beach and take your metal detector instead. Yeah. It's midnight, not too bad. Yeah, not too bad. Not a lot of price action happening. Grav, you're on your way to Seattle to Alaska on cruise ships. Nice. Yeah, every little dip is getting bought up instantly. So like it gives me the vibes that it's going to break to the upside. But like you never know. It's doing a little bit of this right now. Who knows? The S&P's a little bit more bearish looking than the NQ, so it can't be. To see the northern lights, yeah, man, that would be a nice one. Iceland, isn't it? It's a one good place to go. Alaska. And how can we trade this price action? Almost impossible. Brother, what is going on with that? Look at this, bro. Like, what is going on actually? Like, isn't like this the world is not like healing and everything? What's going on? How can I find a wife in 5 minutes though? Yeah. It's got a break, now it's stuck. Yeah, like now it's like on the 1 minute is mega stuck, you know? Now even on the 1 minute is mega stuck. But let's like we're going to find something. We're going to find something. You know? We are already 50 points up on the day. But we are going to find something. Watch market go crazy the minute you put down your phone. Oh, yeah. Bro, what is actually going on, man? Look at this price section. Like anything interesting happening in your guys' life, bro? Like any new story to tell, to share? Any massive profits you're making? Anything to keep us awake? Born hunting sent us a gift. 8 jewels. I don't know how to say that properly. But thank you, my friend. Thank you very much. I hope this market shows us some mercy, man. Because right now, it is not looking promising. 40 minutes in, and it's not looking promising. Instantly bought up again. There's nothing, bro. There's nothing to do. There's actually nothing. Like, gotta wait. Like, if you guys don't tell me some stories, I'm like, we're going to sleep, you know? The calm before the storm, yeah. No coffee, yeah. Here we go. No. Actually, no, bro. Actually, no, my brother. see what. Mm. Now we are breaking a little bit more clearly from this. So I suspect we go lower now. Yeah, I took a long right at open, 50 points. Then I tried to take a long here, was not comfortable, got out with 2 points. It's like it's on the screen, bro. Nanomix. Are you in the trade? No. But I guess I could be. Like, it's the first time that it's actually giving like a short vibe. But it's not enough, you know? Like, there's not enough volatility for, in my opinion, to make it worth it. No problem, no problem. Like, I'm just saying that you can check it out, like, if you want to, like, take a, like, actually take a look. It's getting bought up again, so like, who knows? Yeah, now it's changing behaviors, guys. Now it's changing behavior. Like, it broke this little trend line. It broke the low right here. Like, this is the first sign of a bearish move. Actually, a bearish move. Like, this lower here got broken, lower low, lower highs. So we, of course, we have a bunch of support levels still, but maybe come back to view up or something like that. Or actually, yeah, who knows what's going to happen, brother? Like, who actually knows? Like, with price action like this, who actually knows? I'm not a futures trader, by the way, not actively trading the market at this very moment. No problem. If you have any doubts, any questions, like, hit me up, let me know. Krieger, you're in a long straight at the beginning. Let's see. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck, my friend. It's a gamble. Yeah, whenever price action is like this, it's a gamble. Like, you can actually, you can give, like, you can try to take a long, and if it goes up, you can say you were right, but it's a gamble.
Declined 3.6% in June versus prior month.
It's actually a gamble. Whenever price action is like this, you never know what it's going to do. Like, if it breaks up, people say, yeah, of course it's going up. Like, we have a gap and we are pushing up. And if it breaks down, people say, of course we are going to go down. Like, we're going to close the gap, you know? There's all of that, those of course guys. Those of course people. Right. How long have you been trading? 10 years, almost 11 years by now. It's all over. I don't trade options. I've heard like bad stories about options. I have like nightmares about options, bro. So I never learned, never did anything with options. Never bought an option in my life, actually. That's a long time. Yes, it is, brother. Yes, it is. Long enough to know better, bro. You're an options trader? Yeah, we have a bunch of options traders in the community. Rob is an options trader. Killer Slug's an options trader. Pasha trades options like at least once a week. He's always doing some options trading. We have some very good options trader. Like Conrad is an options trader, I remember. Conrad Ballman. I like that. I like that name. We have a bunch of options traders. I don't know if Gurav trades options, but you might as well. The size that he trades, you might as well. Jack trades QQQ options not very well. Yeah, that's the problem. Well, I guess Jack trades options as well. Yeah, we try to be a more level-headed stream. Like, we try to be a more like cool, calm, and collected stream. More focus on good day trading instead of shiny day trading, you know. A little bit more professional approach, if you may say. Krieger, you're trading Euro USD and not NASDAQ. Yeah, that's a good thing to trade. Like, it moves a lot. You're more of CFD trader, Forex trader then. When you click buy, you're buying 10 shares or what? No, like it's one micro and you can trade like the micro NQ or the mini NQ. The mini is 10 micros, you know. If you buy one mini, it's 10 micros. I trade the micros because I don't trade that big, you know, so I can divide the hand that I trade, the amount of contracts that I trade. And I can like do like double ups. I can exit half of positions, you know, when I trade the micros. Oh, you mostly trade Tech 100? Tech 100 will be like the NASDAQ, isn't it? And stocks, okay. Nanomix, you would totally trade futures if margin wasn't required. Brother, I got some news for you, bro. You could trade futures using prop firms. Have you ever heard of prop firms? So like I only trade futures in the US by prop firms. You're more of a cash account guy? Yeah, respect. Yeah. Yeah, I try to extract the maximum amount of what is it called? Like benefits from trading prop instead of trading cash, especially in the US. Yeah, but props are something you need to get used to. Like especially if you only I traded cash accounts only for like 8 years. And I started trading props for the last 2 years something now. And I needed to adjust a lot of things to be able to be profitable trading props. The rules would skew with your approach. Yeah, maybe you need some end of day accounts. The consistency rule, yeah, understood. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Like if I like judging by what you're saying, you already looked into it and it seems that it's not a match for you, so respect. But yeah, I guess that holding trades for longer and like there's props that has like 50% consistency, like Apex, so like 50% is like it's a lot. It's a bunch of consistency. And there's like take profit trader that has no consistency rules that wouldn't affect you, I guess. How often do you scalp 10-30 points? Bro, like more often than not. Like the majority of my trades is 10-30 points because a lot of trades I get into and it runs like 20, 25, 30 points and I put my stop at break even to get out of risk. And sometimes it hits me with like 10 points, 15 points, 20 points. That's a behavior that I have that protects me more often than not. But I sometimes I leave money on the table because of that. But it's a tendency that I have to protect capital. It saves me more than it hurts me, you know. But like the trades that really make my day are the trades that hits like 50 points, 60 points, 100 points. Those are the trades that makes my day, you know. But there's a bunch of trades that goes like 10 points, 15 points, 30 points. Those are the trades that like keeps me alive on the day, you know. So sometimes I hit like 5 trades in a row to be able to catch one good 60 points trades, let's say. But on those other 4 trades, maybe I got like 10 points, 15 points. And those 15 points adds up, you know, overall. They should do the rule to be based on buying power allocated into the trade. Yeah, like the prop firms, like the rules that they have, like it's are rules that needs to make sense for them to be profitable, you know. So like if they make rules that makes easy for traders, too easy for the traders, like usually they start losing money. We just saw that with Alpha Futures, you know. So I guess everything is kind of sideways, you know. We are right at like, why this view up is right here on the 5 minute. The view up on the 1 minute and on the 5 minute are in 2 different places right now. I'm tempted to go long right here at 580. Oh, I think I'll go long right here. Let's see if it gives me the entry. It's a match of the 9 EMA, the view up on the 5. No, the view up is not there, but it's the 9 EMA. Still 1 hour almost closing as well. Yeah, I'm in the trade. Let's see if I'm making a dumb mistake or no. We have 580, I guess. 548 is the stop loss, basically. So we're going to risk a little bit of the money we made. Like, yeah, already looks bad, you know. Not looking good right now. No news, just like a little bit of a sell-off before the 1 hour closes. Maybe it's that. Maybe it is that, you know, who knows? If it sweeps that 5-minute green candle, probably Dunsky. They're sitting at the opening level at 567. Does this get out the edge? Okay. Like, so I did better my average. I'm already green on this trade if it stays like right here. I put like 11 points in the pocket on that ad on the opening level at 568. So what I want is to see if this is just a sweep or if it is going to close like very red against me. So it's 5 red candles in a row. So that's not a good sign. The ideal thing to happen is that this candle sweeps the previous candle high, like real soon, like on the first minute or two. That would be the best thing to happen. Sorry. But now we have a more balanced trade, you know, like 20-point stop. 20-point stop is a good trade for the type of move we're having.
Secretary Bessent, Friday's coordinated FX moves curbed disorderly yen swings.
Yeah, I don't know what that means. Not winning. How you doing, my friend? Should look at Funded Next Rapid Daily 50K rules. Yeah, I'm going to buy some Funded Next this week.
Secretary Bessent, Treasury stays vigilant and maintains close communication with counterparts at MOF and BOJ. US Treasury Secretary Bessent will not hesitate to join additional coordinated intervention. US Treasury Secretary Bessent strongly back Japan's decisive market and monetary actions to address yen's significant undervaluation. Japan Finance Ministry conducted coordinated yen purchasing intervention with US. Japan Finance Ministry conducted coordinated yen buying intervention with US on Friday. US Treasury Secretary Bessent, the FEMA repo facility is a crucial backstop, encourages expansion in coming months.
Yeah, I don't want to see this volatility coming back. Like, because if it comes back, it's probably sweeping lows. So, yeah. Bro, I added to the trade. What I added to the trade instead of getting out. That's okay. Like, made like 20 bucks on that trade.
More forex intervention with US.
Like it's a bunch of news from US Treasury Secretary that I don't understand. So, like, if I don't understand, I don't want to trade it. What am I using to trade? And like, in what sense? The trading platform, or what in what sense? Hit the likes, guys. Yeah, hit the likes, subscribe to the channel. We are a very cool community. You guys are welcome to join the Discord. It's all free. There's a link on the description for it. Everything you need, there's a link on the description as well.
Intervention aimed at tackling recent excessive disorderly yen moves.
Nanomix, where I'm from Brazil, bro. Yes, platform. This is Tradeovate. It's called Tradeovate. Like, it's a platform that the prop firms are used. Like, and I prefer Tradeovate over the others. And it's from the Ninja Trader guys. So if you have a login to Tradeovate, you can log into Ninja Trader with the same login, you know. So that's a bueno. I took a nice short from the top. Nice, Mr. Gentleman. Congrats on the trade. Going to sleep?
Japan
Nice.
MOF. Japan plans to use Federal Reserve's foreign and international repo facility in future.
Um, how did you learn English, brother? I don't even know. Like, I never did like any classes to learn English. I learned like I started learning like I
Japan
played
Finance Minister Kayatayama says Japan remains vigilant and in close contact
okay.
with US Treasury counterparts.
I play a game like I played a game called RuneScape when I was a kid, and I started learning English from that, having to learn like one word and the other, you know. And then I started watching like TV series from the US, from like the UK, films, like listening to music, and you start like connecting some words. And I learned like was a process that took like I don't even know. There was a day that I just realized that I understood English well enough to listen to something and know what it's saying without needing like subtitles or anything. And then like it catch like I realized, bro, I know a lot of words, I understand a lot. Then I actively try to improve. But by like I was around like 18 years old and I actually realized like, bro, I actually understand English. Love RuneScape, yeah. I play to this day, bro. Pasha is playing as well. Like he played when he was a kid as well. Yeah, just something to take your mind off the market when you need to, you know? But we are still inside the 15-minute arm, man. We are still inside the 15-minute arm. I'm going to leave this trend line right here just in case. 1 second, I'm going to figure out what I'm going to have for dinner. Like, give me like 30 seconds, I'm back. Yeah, we are going to sweep the 15-minute orb to the downside, brother. Like, look at that, you know? That is interesting. All your European friends learned English that way. Where are you from, Nanomix? You're from the US? Hispanic, you still play old school? Yeah, bro. Intriguing. Years in Robinhood. Only have done stocks and options in. Is Robinhood for noobs? Bro, a bunch of people made like millions of dollars on Robinhood. It's not what you, from what where you trade, it's how you trade and if you're able to make money. What's my PNL? 116 bucks, bro. Anyone remember Darkscape version where the wilderness was everywhere and you could take over towns? Yeah, man. I think I played that. I was not a good PKer, so never did well. Double position in the Euro USD. Good luck, brother. Don't be blowing accounts. Don't be blowing accounts, my friend. We got the sweep down. The 21 EMA is sitting right here on the 5. Maybe we get a bounce from that. But who knows, man? Who actually knows? One thing that I would do, and I would use the fibs like this to see like the possible retracements. You know? The entry on the sweep of this low, it's already playing out. Looks interesting, looks promising. The ES actually got a close below the orb. So he actually got an entry on the orb to the downside, but I'm not trusting it at all. At all, my friend. I could have the price action inclined to the downside. This is lower highs, lower lows. Like at this moment, this is not bullish. Like at this moment, like this can become bullish, but it is not at this moment. So I'm not comfortable with longs. You know. You're in the trouble zone, like trading below VWAP, trading below the 9 and above the 21. This is the trouble zone. Live chat. If I missed any messages, guys, please resend them. It will be a pleasure to answer you guys. Bro, very slow market. Almost untradeable, man. War Hey Leo, can you please tell how does a gap up and down takes place on a weekend? Like, why did it happen? Or like, why? How is it possible? What is the name of a
Dollar yen
program?
rises 0.2% to 157.70 as US and Japan confirm joint yen intervention.
Yeah, like on Friday, the close price was here. Like, look at this. This is where Friday closed. So like, whenever, so from Friday up until Sunday, today, you know, there was not any trading because the market was closed. But a lot of things happen over the weekend. And when traders are going to price the opening on Sunday, maybe enough things happen that the price that it closed on Friday, it doesn't make sense to be there anymore, you know? On this weekend, traders priced the open more than 300 points above where Friday closed. So you gotta think of this like as a massive green candle. Like, this is what you guys gotta think about. Like, the gap up, it means that if the markets were open on Saturday and Sunday, the markets would have traded up to 568, 567, you know? So it's just a rebalance of price based on the events that happen or the things that happen over the weekend, and the price is going to open where the consensus is, you know? And sometimes you have a very bullish news over the weekend, but the market is closed. So the price is not going to move, but at open, it's going to have a gap up, you know? Or you have a very bearish news over the weekend, and when it opens Sunday, it will have a massive gap down, you know? US helps to save the Japanese yen. That's the news, I guess. Yeah, the market was afraid of the yen intervention that was going on on the previous on the previous week. There every day there was news about not US, but intervention on the Japanese yen against the US dollar and this and that, and the market was a little bit afraid of that. And I guess that over the weekend we had news that like everything's going to be good with the yen, so market got a little bit bullish because of that. But like, it doesn't mean much. Like, you can but like 5 minutes from now, it can drop some new information about other stuff that is going to make the price drop, you know? It's a never-changing roller coaster, my friend. The markets. We sweep down the opening range and we got bought up to the trend line, so who knows what is going to happen, brother? Who knows? Who actually knows, my friend? Did any of you got any good trades out of this? What is going on? 5-minute candle is almost closing. Let's see what is going on. You're staying out barn hunting? Yeah, good idea, man. Actually, good idea. We've got a big spike, but we are holding at VWAP, you know? Didn't feel me, bro. Oh, loss. Tried to get in at 590. Didn't feel me, bro. Oh, Luan, you ask what is the name of the program? Like, I guess it's Trade of 8. Trade of 8. It's from the same company that makes Ninja Trader. No problem, my friend. No problem. I just ordered some sushi. Going to eat some nice sushi today, brother. Yeah, guys. Like, I'm almost thinking about taking a long right here. I just think I need a better entry. You know? Like a little bit down, then up again, maybe. Let's do this trend line right here. Like we swept highs, make a little bit of a higher low. Like we are in a trap zone as well, like between the VWAP and between the EMAs on the one. It's a little bit of a trap zone. Wait for the sweep of 572. Yeah, I'm actually waiting for that. Like the best long possible would actually be around 570s. Another 15-minute candle closing right now. Let's see what is happening. Like, we are mega sideways, guys. Like, mega sideways. It can't be a lower high still, but like, it's a green candle sweeping highs. Like, this does not have like a clear direction for the, like, for a long time, for a long-term trend, you know. Like, on the short term, we are breaking highs, making higher lows, so I guess we are moving up. That's why I was trying to go long, but it didn't get to the level that I actually wanted to go long. Would be something like 560 to 574 would be the level. Is there some problems with Ninja Trader today? I don't know. I only use Trade-O-Vate. I don't use Ninja Trader. Yeah, that's sad. Yeah, but see these spikes, man. Like, what is this? Let's see the ES. ES is ripping. The Russell is ripping, and the YM is ripping. Like, so that's a good sign. Everything is going up. But the NQ, as you guys know, can be a little bit of a queen, you know? Can be a little bit of a diva sometimes. It can be a little bit of a diva sometimes, you know? How much you pay monthly for Trade-O-Vate? Nothing, brother. Like, it's all paid for when I pass the evaluation account. It's all paid for.
Japan Finmin Katayama. No comment on Forex intervention, except Friday.
On Apex, you know, I'm using Apex to trade. So whenever you pass the evaluation account and you activate your account, the Trade-O-Vate is free, my friend. At least for like 10 years or something. But I guess you're not trading for that long on the same account. Yeah. Bro, look at that spike. Oh, that's crazy. Some news is dropping. 100%. Should have gone longer than EMA. Yeah, me as well. Look at this, bro. And financial just is quiet. Ooh, something's happening. Something's happening, my friend. This spike is only on NQ, maybe? Let's see if he gets me long at 577. I would be interested in going long there. Bro, didn't get me filled on this longs yet, you know? A little sweep to 577 just to tap me in, you know? Bro, oh my god, by 2 points. By 2 points, my friend. 8 p.m. will move for sure. Yeah, like every hour it's going to get volatility again. That's how it goes on Sunday. Man, missed me by 2 points. Like, how sad is that? Yeah, guys, if you're enjoying the stream, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. If you're new here, you're very welcome to join us every New York session, every pre-market show, every Sunday open. Like, we do 2.5 hours before New York open. We are live every day and we go until New York close. I start the day on the pre-market show, then Pasha comes in with the New York session and we carry on through that, you know? So hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, join the Discord, a lot of cool people there. If you're starting your journey on prop firms, we have a lot of cool people that can help you there. I can help you, Pasha can help you. But if you like markets, like you trade options or different things, welcome to join as well. A lot of people sharing information there. And follow us, subscribe to the channel, hit the like. That's it. Now looks like it's going lower, yeah. We are getting some like volatilities out of nowhere, you know. I'm still interested in going long at 577. I still like this level. Yeah, it's like a mega. What's my time zone? I'm 1 hour ahead of New York session, of New York time. 1 hour ahead of New York time. This is the 5 minute. This is the 5 minute time frame. If you look at the 1 minute, we are like doing candles upon candles and it's forming a range, brother. Like, it's not looking good. Like even if I enter at 577, like, it does not look promising. Like, it doesn't look promising at all. It does not look promising at all. you know. Look at this price section, bro. Like, there's no way, man. I'm joining along here. Like a bunch of volatility incoming. Just got a mega reversal on this 15-minute. I will join another at 589. Now follow this trend line right here. Maybe I'm doing a massive mistake, but I like this long now. And I have a clear stop, you know. Brother, that 5-minute candle got eaten up. Like, what a fake out. What a fake out. Ooh, this is not good. But yeah, maybe the volatility helps us. The link's on the description. Everything you need, every link you want is in the description of the live stream, brother. Dum, dum, dum. Hello, Sanda. How you doing? Do we think we are going to fill the gap? Maybe. Maybe. It's not looking good for me right now. 588. My stop loss is at 551 is where my stop loss is sitting. So one NAD got taken out, so might as well change the stop loss to 2 micros now. $5.98, I get another micro out. I gotta be honest, it's kinda sketchy. Now we have the view up right here. Yeah, another one out. And we are holding through the break of high. 560, 616 maybe. What is this? How many micros I have? I have only, yeah, now I'm long at that 577 level, and now it's looking good, you know. Yeah, but look at this rejection, brother. Like this is the main problem. Look at the rejection, man. Like, how can I trust a trade when I get this type of candles, you know? How can someone trust a trade with this type of candles, you know? Like, the right thing to do would be to put a stop loss at break even. You know, that would be the right thing to do. Like, the chances of me getting swept out at break even are huge. But like, that's the right thing to do right now. I just want the sweep of this candle because I know it's going to get a massive rejection out of that sweep. Good, Leo. Nice. Hope you had a good weekend. Yes, I had, my friend. Spend the weekend with friends. The best way to do it. Yeah. Nice. Nice sweep. Can we get the 50 pointer? 50 pointer, bro. Nice. That's a clean 50 point trade right there, bro. Clean 50 pointer. From 577 to 626. Clean 50 pointer. That's why we wait, my friend. That's why we wait. I was talking about that 577 level for a while. I was really interested in going long there, and it ended up being a good long. So like, if it goes up like another 200 points, who cares, brother? I got mine and it's in my pocket, you know. But look at that rejection. What I told you guys, the sweep of this high would get a massive rejection. So like, even if it goes up, you probably will be stopped out at break even, you know. Like, that's the problem. That's the thing. what is going on, man? Like, this is some unintentional volatility. Like, doesn't even make sense. Barn hunting, nice. Yeah, man. Sometimes it's just a matter of waiting, you know? Waiting a little bit. For this to sweep down everything, easy. Easy. No struggle at all, bro. For this price action to get swept down. Real easy. And it's nice that we got out. Like, that's the good thing. Like, this is disgusting, actually. Like, look at this woman. Something's happening, and the financial juice guy does not know what is going on. We know that it's getting heavy sellers right now. Let me see at the other indexes. The yes, a little bit. Russell a little bit as well. Gold is pushing up a little bit, broke VWAP. And oil is going up a little bit. So something's going on. Something's fishy over there. Like, I'm glad we got out as we got out at 626. Like, we didn't miss much. Let me see what game is going on right now. Okay. You see how important the opening level is? Like, it touches and rejects and breaks and rejects and retests it again. It's 567 level. Elegy, what's going on? Can we get another trade maybe? I don't think we're going to get another trade like at this candle, you know? Like, probably going to have to wait a few candles. Hi Leo, are you Christian? Yeah, I'm Christian. LG, you're green, but the candles are kind of crazy. Yeah, it's kind of sketchy to trade. Like, we are mega sideways. If you take a look at the 5-minute, we are mega sideways. So now it might sell off, maybe. Cool, yeah. Judging by your name, you're also a Christian, yeah. Guys, hit the like button. Let's push the stream to 100 likes. Maybe can we do that? Can we do that for me, you know? Maybe. Let's see how many likes we have right now. We have 76 likes. I know you guys can push it to 100 though. Mega buyers right now. Mega buyers right now. Look at the strength of this movement. But like, look at how it rejects instantly. Like, this is very sketchy to trade. I think we're going back down to last week's area. Yeah, something needs to happen. The daily chart 100% is bearish, you know? It is bearish in the daily chart. Like, we're moving down aggressively, actually, on the daily chart. So we can see, like, today's candle, like in tomorrow's price action, deliver a red candle and push all the way down to 27,600 something. But we are also, we can tell, like I talked about it earlier, this 29,000 is a very important level to go and retest, and if he wants to keep going down, you know. But the price section will show you, like, you don't need to guess that much. The price section will show you which direction it's wanting to go. Just like as right now, it's showing that doesn't want to go anywhere, you know? Like, brother.
Voice news disconnected.
I'm interested in going long again, but I think I already lost the opportunity. I'm going long at 567 and putting a stop at the low, just to see if it does that mega bounce back again. Doesn't even get me filled, maybe. Just trying to play off this volatility, you know? Yeah, missed the boat. And yes, yeah. This market is a scalp only? Yeah, agreed. Trigger stopped out. Okay. Like, look at how volatile this is. Something's going on, bro. Something's going on. Like, financial juice should know what is going on. Oh, this is the open. Like, this is the new hourly candle. That's why. Yeah, Asia market's opening, guys. So that's why the volatility is like this, you know? Like, maybe now we get a clear direction, actually. No, like, this is the new hourly candle. That's why this volatility is like this, you know? We are moving based on the open of Asia markets. Like, maybe now it's Japan opening, I guess. Correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah, maybe this is Japan opening. Can I get like a tap at 567? Tap at 567, trying to get out at 589. Let's see if I get that. Like if I get like 10 points, I'm putting stop at break even. Like I'm risking a little bit of the money I made. Not much though. Yeah, now it's like if it ticks 777, I'm like 577, I'm putting stop at break even. Because now looks like now it's looking like it's breaking below the 21, and that's not good. This 5 minute is almost closing. It's not good that it closes red like this. Yeah, putting stop at break even. Might as well get out. Like it's too much volatility, unintentional volatility. Like maybe it goes, like it's a good long to hold, but for me it's not worth it at the moment. But guys, I think we are coming in. I'm coming to the end of the stream, you know. And it's a short and sweet stream on Asia. 2 hours and 7 minutes by now. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. We will be back tomorrow morning, 2.5 hours before New York Open. You need to come back here. We will have the pre-market show for you guys. And after that, we're having the New York session stream, my friend. Okay? So, yeah. Like, this is a mega volatility, man. At some point, this is getting a direction. This is getting a direction at some point, you know? So, yeah, I'm good. Like I'm up on I hit profit target on this account, so might as well take it. Tomorrow I trade the others. So yeah, guys, I'm heading out, going to have dinner, stay do rest a little bit so we can start the week tomorrow. And yeah, trade safe, guys. See you guys tomorrow at pre-market show and on New York session as well. Hit the like on the way out, subscribe to the channel. See you guys tomorrow. Trade safely if you're going to continue.